Hi everybody, George Gigofsky, General Manager, Ray Auto Group, Fox Lake, Illinois. We're proud to be a lead sponsor, one of the largest fundraisers in Johnsburg. Happy to be a big part of it. Happy to be a part of Ray, where we donate to our communities, whether it be driver's ed cars, big play sponsors for all the schools, and just take a look. Very excited to be a part of this. And please, if we can ever help you again, Ray Auto Group, Fox Lake, Illinois.